How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to switch back to personal account on Instagram, let's say you switch to either a business or maybe a creator account, which in this case is a professional account, and now you want to switch back to your personal account, and it's very simple to do so. What you need to do is, after you launch Instagram, just come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon. You can see I have a professional account. As you can see, the professional dashboard. To switch to personal, I just need to tap the three lines option here, go to settings. When I go to settings, here you'll find account option, tap on account, scroll down. Here you can see switch account type, and here you can see switch to personal account. So just make sure to tap on switch to personal account. It will ask you for a confirmation, and then just make sure to confirm the changes by tapping on the switch to personal account option, and your account will be successfully switched back to your personal account. This way you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.